good morning. This is us now checked out of the Hat Yai. As he goes tiptoeing his bike out. Well done, mate. So, job number one. We are gonna go on a mission to try and sort out my helmet after yesterday's disaster. Screws falling out, bits falling off, visor, peak coming off, and to top it all off, losing my Senna intercom. So job number one, we found a dealer of Senna, so we're gonna head to a place called Moonsoon Garage to, fingers crossed, get the same model that I had, and then I don't have to rewire it in. Well, job number one failed. We didn't seem to realise, or didn't check, there might be a holiday today, so it's Father's Day. And any excuse, and places close in Thailand, so job number one for the Senna failed. But job number two is pretty important, is to try and do a DIY job on my helmet to get the visor put back on. All I need is a couple of screws. So we're just going to try and find a hardware shop, and then we can get on our way down to the border. So one thing is checked off the list, found a couple of regular metal screws and bolted my lid down, which is good. If it rains, I've got good protection now, but unfortunately, because I'm missing one of the little key components to make the lid move up and down, yeah, it is bolted closed. So let's hope we don't stop in too many traffic jams, because it's going to be red hot in this helmet. Anyway, that's us messing around in Hat Yai done, so we're going to belt down the highway, get to Sadao border, and most likely get some breakfast before we cross. And here we have the beautiful border town of Sadao. Hundreds of trucks, restaurants, motels. Yeah, it's a strange little place, in Sadao. A weird vibe to it, to be honest. You got a hotel shaped like a boat. Very strange. Alright, here we go. Step number one. We need to have our passport stamped out of Thailand. Phase 1 complete. We've got stamped out of Thailand. We're filling some paperwork that we don't think we might need at all, just regarding bike details. Got it stamped as well, but yeah, we got that with us just in case. So now go to the Malaysian crossing. We're just going to follow the flow of traffic, and hopefully we get to the right place. Keep going, guys. Oh. We go through the we go through what's his bike. Ooh. go. Oh yeah, here we go. A motorbike queue. Hello. Heading down to Georgetown. Maybe 3 or 4 days. Okay, thank you. Alright, okay, so we made it through the Malaysian side, but we still need to figure out some insurance and get license plate to legally be allowed to be driving this bike around. Last time I didn't even bother, I was just driving around without insurance, etc. But we want to do it properly this time. So a random little dude found us outside, saw us not doing much, and he is now taking us to apparently where we sort insurance and licenses out. We will see. Okay, so apparently this is a place to sort it all out. Thank you, thank you. See you later, buddy. Right, well that took an incredibly long amount of time. About hour and a half to get all of that done, the insurance, the temporary registration, but the big hassle, something that we should have done, was get our green books translated. That's what really took the majority of time. We are sorted, we are on the road. We're gonna start to bust a move down to old Georgetown. Time to go. Bike pass. Tight fit. Just made it. Well, finally got a little bit of luck. The one centre dealer we found just on the outskirts of Penang, he didn't actually have any in stock, but what he did have was the exact same model I wanted that he wasn't using anymore. He'd upgraded to a different model, so I've got exactly what I wanted at a fraction of the price second hand. Perfect. So we're literally about 30 minutes away from Georgetown now, but as I've found out with other trips to Georgetown, the traffic when you cross the bridge can sometimes get a little bit nuts. So fingers crossed it's not going to be too bad today. Lucky so far, no traffic, and we're apparently only 7 minutes away from the hotel, but it is starting to look a little bit more congested now. Oh, it'd also be very, very nice to be able to flip up my visor now instead of having my head inside of a microwave. Oh, lots of traffic, but you just got to watch out for the crazies. Yeah, expect the unexpected, people driving the wrong way on the side of a road, standard. I think we have just about made it to our accommodation. Oh, yeah, we get access to the VIP car park. Can we fit through there, guys? That's going to be tight. Oh, nice. I like his rule breaking. Oh. Whew. Right. Let's park up and grab a beer. Not yet, maybe about...
Another 10 minutes?
Maybe 5 minutes.
I'll give you 10 minutes.
Oh, thank you. I only wanted 5.
Ready? Yep. Can we... Okay. Staff that don't take orders.
Right.
Yes, okay.
Okay, we are ready.
Yeah, tell me, love.
Can we get one palak paneer, one mutton vindaloo, one chicken tikka makhani, one garlic naan, one keema naan?
Right on, baby.
Thank you.
Right on. So, palak paneer, chicken, whatever, and mutton vindaloo and a garlic naan.
Yeah.
It's all looking very good. Not bad. What would you score it, guys, out of 10?
Yeah, we'll give that a solid 9.
9. For Gaz, that's like a normal person's 20. So, winning.